Managing clients is one of the biggest challenges for coaches or agencies. As your business grows, it becomes harder to keep track of leads, appointments, follow up emails, invoices, and customer conversations. Doing everything manually can waste hours every week. That is why a good CRM can make a huge difference. The right CRM helps you to organize your contacts, automate repetitive works, and deliver a better experience of your clients. In this video, I will share some of the best CRM platforms that coaches and agencies can use to grow their business more efficiently. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software tool that can grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and check the description for useful software deal links that I mentioned in this video. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's get into the main part of the video. Let's begin with a platform that's become a favorite for agencies. GoHighLevel is one of the most complete CRM platforms available today. It combines customer management, sales funnels, email marketing, SMS campaigns, appointment scheduling, website building, and powerful automation in one dashboard. Agencies can also create separate accounts for each client, making it easy to manage multiple businesses from a single platform. If your goal is to automate client communication and replace several marketing tools, GoHighLevel is an excellent choice. By the way, if you want to try GoHighLevel, then you can check the affiliate link from description. You will get the 30 days free trial instead of regular 14 days. You can join to the live bootcamp access for 100% free. You can get the exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So check the link from description and let's get back to the video. Next, let's talk about a CRM that is easy to learn. HubSpot CRM is well known for its clean interface and beginner-friendly design. You can organize contacts, leads, manage customer conversation, schedule meeting, and monitor your sales pipeline without feeling overwhelmed. It also offers a generous free plan, making it a great option for new coaches and small agencies that want to start using a CRM without a large investment. Now let's move to a CRM that is built for sales. Pipedrive is designed to help your business manage leads and close more deals. Its visual sales pipeline makes it easy to see where every client is in your sales process. You can automate follow-ups, schedule activities, and keep track of your conversations without missing important opportunities. Coaches who regularly book discovery calls and agencies with active sales teams that often appreciate Pipedrive's simple workflow. We are getting close to our final recommendations. Monday CRM combines customer management with project management. After closing a deal, you can continue managing client work, tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration from the same platform. This makes it especially useful for agencies that not only sell services but also manage ongoing client projects. Having sales and project management together helps your team to stay organized from the first contact to project completion. Now, finally, here is a CRM that's trusted by businesses around the world. Zoho CRM offers a wide range of features at a competitive price. You can manage leads, automate workflows, create email campaigns, generate reports, and connect with many other business apps. As your business grows, Zoho CRM provides plenty of advanced tools without requiring you to move to another platform. It is a great option for coaches and agencies looking for a flexible CRM that can grow alongside their business. So, which one should you choose? If you want an all-in-one platform with marketing automation, sales funnels, and client management, GoHighLevel is one of the strongest choices available. If you are looking for a simple CRM that is easy to use and offers a solid free plan, HubSpot CRM is an excellent place to start. If your business focuses heavily on sales and lead management, Pipedrive gives you an easy way to organize your pipeline. If you want to combine CRM with project management feature, then Monday CRM is a great solution for agencies. And if you are looking for a flexible platform with advanced feature and room to grow, then Zoho CRM offers excellent value. The good news is that most of these platforms provide free trial or free plans. That means you can test them before making a final decision. Choose the one that matches your workflow today, and as your business grows, your CRM will continue helping you to save time and building a stronger relationship with your clients. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this video helped you to discover some of the best CRM platforms for coaches and agencies and made it easier to choose the right one for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the tools that I mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.